Hey, welcome back to the channel, and today we are on our way to Dayton, Ohio. I found a 4x8 trailer that my dad and I are going to turn into an Overland trailer. So our plans are to build a few boxes actually, to store our gear, like our recovery gear, a pop-up tent, so we can take the family out camping, and some gas tanks if we need them for long travel, since the Bronco's fuel mileage is iffy at times. So we're on our way to pick it up right now. When we get out there, I'll show some footage of picking it up. I'm excited to be able to get this trailer at a decent price. So stay tuned for the Overland build for the trailer. We'll do some how-tos. This will be my first trailer build. Actually, I've built a lot of cars in the past, but never a trailer, and I'm pretty excited to see how the Bronco does with towing. My Big Ben does have a towing package on it with the hitch. From what I understand, it can tow up to 3,500 pounds with a tongue weight of 350 pounds. So we're on our way to pick this up right now, and I'll keep you posted on the build as it goes on. All right, we just arrived with a trailer. We are going to be picking up some steel today that is being recycled and thrown away. So here it is. We are going to take the steel from these stands right here. We're going to cut this stuff down and we're going to reuse it for the Bronco's rack on the trailer. So we're going to try to cut as much of this stuff down and reuse as possible. What we plan to do is make a roof rack for the trailer, at least 4 foot tall, maybe a little bit higher than the back door here, so we can see it in the back of the Bronco when we're traveling. But we're going to get to it. We're going to cut this down and I'll show you what we got left after we get everything here recycled. Okay, we were able to get 8 good pieces. I'm going to scrap the rest of this. This is just too heavy, and I'll have to come back. Kind of chewed up some blades getting this stuff cut. I had some older blades for the Sawzall, but 8 really good solid pieces, and I'll clean those up with the chop saw and get those ready to mount for the sides. If you like what you saw here, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2.